effects. So if you go into Instagram and you open up Instagram stories and you click on the music icon on the top, you only can select songs that are already listed on Instagram. However, if you want to add your own music to your stories, you have another way that you can do this. To do this, you will have to use the CapCut application and build a new project. Now, once you build a new project, you can click on Add Audio, and you can click on Sounds to get sounds from CapCut. Then you also have copyrighted sounds, sound effects, and then you can actually extract audio from other videos that you might have, or even play your favorite audio and then just choose to add them as a voiceover. So in this way, you can add your own music to your Instagram stories. So if I want to extract audio from this clip over here, I'll click on Add. And now I have extracted the audio from that clip. And now I can just go on ahead and click on the top right and export. And once I have exported the particular video, I can now upload this with the exported music or my own music into Instagram stories. So by default, there is no option to add your own music, but you can use CapCut or InShot to be able to share your own music or your own songs on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.